hour ago, all Schuler, kind of a tough story to follow, but hey, we're at least starting to see dry conditions moving on into the rest of our week. A look from our Sky 6 Blunt Memorial Hospital camera showed a beautiful sunset earlier. Now we're just seeing calm and mostly clear skies. Temperatures have dropped tremendously over the past couple of hours. Right now sitting in the low 30s or below freezing for most of us. We're sitting at 34 here in Knoxville, 30 in Maynardville, 31 in Dandridge, 27 in Kingston, and look at this, 25 in Crossville. Now moving into tomorrow afternoon, a bit of a different story. We will see temperatures back closer to average in the low 50s with a mix of sun and clouds. Now this is all leading up to a big change as we head towards the weekend, and this is our next weather maker. We're watching as another system begins to make its way into our area by the time we reach Saturday, specifically Saturday overnight going into Sunday, and this is going to bring us lots of rain. Yet again, how much rain are we talking? Well, so much so that the Weather Prediction Center has placed the majority of our area under that high threat for flash flooding on Saturday. That means we're going to see a lot of rain, and the rest of the area highlighted in yellow here under that medium threat. But no matter what level threat you're under, you need to make sure you're paying attention to the forecast, especially when flooding is a concern. Now, this isn't our only concern. We actually have a chance of seeing damaging wind gusts as well as a very low tornado threat, and we do have a 2 out of 5 threat level for the southwestern half of our viewing area on Saturday. So there's a lot happening on Saturday weather-wise. Let's take a look at our 6 predictors so that way you're able to plan accordingly. As we head on into Friday night, cloud cover is going to quickly increase, and then by 8 a.m. on Saturday, rain begins to move on through. And notice it kind of remains closer towards the plateau and southeast Kentucky. Then by 5 p.m., we're seeing a bit of a break, which is good in the sense that we're not seeing more rain at the moment, but this allows for the atmosphere to recover and get more ingredients and more storm fuel and able to aid in the strength of that system making its way from West Tennessee. That system is going to move towards our area quick. It will be here closer to about 11, maybe midnight on Saturday going into Sunday, and it's going to move through by the time we reach about 4 a.m. on Sunday. Now, with how quick this is going and how much rain we're expecting, that means we're going to see a lot of rain in a short amount of time, which really makes the ground struggle to be able to absorb that much water. And we've already seen a lot of rain over the past couple of days. So again, we're going to have to watch that flooding threat. And even after that cold front is gone, once our cold air gets here, we have some moisture still available. So we could even see some light accumulation of snow and wintry mix along the higher elevations in southeast Kentucky, the plateau, and the Great Smoky Mountains. But again, the main thing we're watching will be that flooding threat going on into Saturday. And again, it's not just flooding, it's also winds. Look at our future winds as we head throughout the day on Saturday. Notice they're getting faster and faster the later we head into Saturday afternoon, going into Saturday evening, potentially seeing winds up to 50 miles an hour, even in the valley. So again, we're going to watch everything, keep you updated, but we will be weather aware because of all that can occur on Saturday. Then Sunday, we start to see temperatures cooling. Then we're below average to start next week in the low 40s. And then we see another system possibly next Wednesday. Bo.
All right, Margo, thank you. Today, the Knox